Hi, friend. Let's get started without delay. What is Chrome Incognito mode? Incognito is a private window in Chrome. When you use it, Chrome does not save your browsing history, cookies, or form data after you close the window. So why do people use it? Because it is useful for temporary browsing. For example, when you use a shared computer, log into another account, or just want a clean session. But here is the truth. Incognito does not make you invisible online. Websites can still see you, and your internet provider, school, or workplace may still track your activity. Its special feature is simple. It helps keep your session private on your own device after you close the window. And can it be disabled? Yes, but usually not from normal Chrome settings. It is mostly disabled through system settings like group policy or registry on Windows. So, in simple words, Incognito hides your activity from your browser history, not from the whole internet.